Hello, my lovely children out there. Here they are 7 times you almost died but thought it was totally normal. Number 7, holding in sneezes. Picture this. You're in a dead silent room and you feel it coming. That massive earth-shattering sneeze. So you do the ninja move, right? Pinch the nose, seal the mouth. You try to be a legend of silence. Here's the bad news. That move could, and I'm only kinda kidding here, blow your head off. When you hold in a sneeze, all that insane pressure has nowhere to go. It can burst blood vessels, rupture your eardrums, or even injure your throat. People have literally ended up in the hospital from this. So next time, just let it out, loud and proud. Good sun height.
Number 6, choking on water. Oh, this one's personal. You're just hydrating, scrolling TikTok, living your best life, and suddenly, bam, your throat decides to betray you. Instead of helping you swallow, it tries to, end you. You cough, you wheeze, your eyes water, you look ridiculous. That's called aspiration, when liquid goes down the wrong pipe. Your body tries to save you with that cough reflex, but if it fails, you could actually suffocate. Yes, death by water, while hydrating. The absolute irony.
Number 5, standing up too fast. You know the drill. You've been on the couch for, let's be honest, hours. Then, boom, the doorbell rings, or the craving for snacks becomes unbearable, and you jump up. But your brain doesn't follow. Your vision goes black, you see stars, you feel dizzy like you just time traveled. What just happened? That's called orthostatic hypotension. Basically, your blood pressure drops so fast, your brain gets no oxygen, and you nearly pass out. Most of the time, it's harmless, but people do fall and crack their heads. So maybe stand up slow, hero. Number 4, eating raw food. You're hungry. The fridge is empty, except for some questionable sushi and that raw cookie dough you've been eyeing. You think YOLO, right? Wrong. So wrong. A raw food feast is a bacteria party. Salmonella, E. coli, parasites, they love raw chicken, seafood, and uncooked eggs. One bite and suddenly your toilet becomes your new best friend. And the worst case, brain damage, sepsis, or organ failure. Yes, from sushi. Stay safe, chefs. Number 3, cracking your neck. You've been scrolling for hours. Your neck feels so stiff, so you just twist it. Crack. Feels amazing. Until it doesn't. That satisfying crack is just gas bubbles in your joints. But if you twist too hard or in the wrong way, you can tear an artery in your neck, and that can cause a stroke. Yes, a real one. People have died from this. It's rare, but it's real. So here's your moral of the story. Your neck isn't a glow stick. Stop trying to snap it. Number 2, holding your breath. You're watching a movie, the hero dives underwater, and you hold your breath too, right? You've got to beat them. Your vision starts to fade, your chest is burning, but you keep holding until blackout. That's called shallow water blackout. Your brain literally runs out of oxygen and just shuts down. People have drowned in pools and bathtubs from this, sometimes without even struggling. It's not worth it. Let the movie hero drown. You breathe. Number 1. Please listen to this one. You're cleaning the bathroom, feeling productive. You mix some bleach with another cleaner. It smells a little weird, but whatever, right? Wrong. You just created toxic gas. Bleach mixed with ammonia creates chloramine gas. It literally melts lung tissue. People have passed out and nearly died just from sniffing this stuff. Always read the label. Chemistry class does not belong in your bathroom.
That's it for today. I'll be making more videos like this soon. So if you want to stay alive and entertained, subscribe and stick around. Stay safe, stay weird. I love you.